Inside the box, you'll find the Guardian Ultrasonic, the device itself, and a USB-C cable for charging. The first step is turning the device on. Now what you need to do is flip the Guardian Ultrasonic over and locate the power button. Now the power move switch to the green position. That's it. The device is now powered on. After that, you don't touch the button during normal use. You only use it for transport or when the device won't be used for, say, a couple of days. In those cases, switching it off helps, basically preserves the battery life. Now, the most important part, how to use your Guardian Ultrasonic. Simple. Place your phone flat on top of the surface of the device. Short activation tone. Front logo will light up. Guardian Ultrasonic automatically detects the phone and immediately becomes active. You'll hear a short sound and the front logo will light up and stay on while the device is working. You see, there's no daily setup, no software to launch, and no mode you can forget to switch on or enable. Once the device is powered on, everything else is just automatic. As soon as all phones are removed, the Guardian Ultrasonic automatically turns off. This means it only runs when it's actually needed. If you place your phone on the device and nothing happens, the first thing to check is the battery level. Now, while the Guardian Ultrasonic is active, we recommend keeping a minimum distance of about 1 meter or 3 feet from the device. This distance ensures optimal performance of the ultrasonic technology. Guardian Ultrasonic has a built-in battery that lasts almost 8 hours on a full charge, which usually covers a full day of meetings. Now, next to the charging port, you'll see the LED indicator that shows the battery status. Green means more than 50%. Amber means between 15 and 50%. But red means less than 15%. If the battery drops to below 15% while the device is active, you'll hear a single alert sound. When the battery is almost fully drained and the device is about to turn off, don't worry, you will hear 3 alert sounds in a row. Guardian Ultrasonic is not a jammer in the traditional sense. It does not block mobile data, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth signals. Instead, it uses an ultrasonic acoustic waves, high frequency sound to physically interfere with the microphones. Guardian Ultrasonic is designed to protect you from your own device recording private conversations. It does not cover an entire room, so be cautious with products that claim full room coverage. Those claims are often a little misleading. The device works with most phone cases. However, if a case partially blocks the phone's microphones, we recommend placing the phone on the device without the case. You see, the Guardian Ultrasonic is safe for your phone. It does not damage the device, does not affect the battery, and does not interfere with normal phone operation. If something doesn't work as expected, here are a few simple things to check. If the device doesn't turn on, plug it in using the included USB-C cable and make sure the power button on the button is set to the green position. If the device doesn't activate when you place your phone on top, try repositioning the phone or moving it slightly closer to the edge. If microphone interference seems, weaker, place the phone so its microphones are closer to the edge. Avoid, steep angles. Keep the phone flat. Try removing the phone case and gently clean the microphone openings to remove dust or, say, fabric buildup. The Guardian Ultrasonic is built for situations where your phone needs, to stay nearby, but your conversation doesn't. You place the phone, that's it.